Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for clicking on the video of our OCTAVIA KT69WKZ. So this is our OCTAVIA hatchback in the vRS and it's in the solid paint Meteor Grey. And one of the best parts about this car is the boot space. So the vehicle has got the standard interior, which is the black cloth upholstery with the red vRS stitching on the driver's seats, which are also the bucket seats. So as you can see, the vehicle has got extremely low mileage with only 3,099 miles on the clock. So you've got the car's infotainment screen with the air conditioning unit. This is the DSG gearbox, and over there you have your vRS mode selector. You also have the DSG paddles behind the steering wheel, which is the sports multifunction steering wheel. And then over on the driver's door you have the controls to all 4 electric windows, the wing mirror controls and the automatic headlights. Thank you for watching, and for any more information on this car please give us a call on 0208 686 8844. Thank you, bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.